Welcome to Gismatrix. In this tutorial, we will explore the versatile Update Column tool. Let's start with a thematic map showing our buildings, styled by a done column to help us visually track project progress. While you can easily open the info panel to update the status of each object individually, the Update Column tool allows you to select multiple features on the map and update them all simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Next, let's change our thematic map to display land use. Suppose we want to automatically assign the correct land use category directly to our building records. Instead of manual data entry, we select our target buildings and open the Update Column tool. We set our source table to the land use layer and perform a spatial join. By selecting the intersects spatial relationship, Gismatrix automatically reads the land use data from the underlying polygons and applies it directly to our buildings. The new values instantly reflect on the map. Now, let's dive deeper. We'll open the data browser and enable split view to see our map and attribute table side by side. There is a key difference in how the tool operates here. When triggered directly from the map, the tool always updates your active visual selection. However, in the browser, you have the flexibility to update current selections, entire tables, complete layers, or even views generated from simple attribute queries or complex spatial analyses. To demonstrate this flexibility, we will update the label_text column for our entire buildings layer. Our map is already configured to display labels based on this column. Using the expression builder, we can combine different attributes to create a dynamic label for the entire table in one go. Notice how the map instantly refreshes, rendering the newly generated labels in real time. Finally, let's look at updating columns on an already prepared analysis using an SQL view. We started with a query identifying all buildings that intersect with land use zones. But what if we need to calculate the exact area of the building that falls inside a zone, specifically for buildings that sit right on the boundary line? To achieve this, we use the Update Column tool on our SQL view and refine our join using the overlaps spatial relationship. Why overlaps? While intersects includes buildings that are completely inside a zone, overlaps strictly filters for geometries that cross boundaries, meaning they are only partially inside and partially outside. Next, instead of assigning a simple value, we use a spatial SQL expression. We use the st_intersection function to extract the exact overlapping geometry, st_transform to ensure our projection calculates correctly in square meters, and st_area auto measure it. Gismatrix computes this complex spatial metric on the fly, instantly writing the exact overlapping square footage directly into our target column.